Welcome to KyCPA's Behind the Numbers. I'm Kimberly Lindsay, your host and Communications, Marketing, and Creative Director at KyCPA. And I have with me today Lisa Kemper, our CPE Director, and she is going to tell you what is new for this year for conferences.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to almost spring of 2021. Our second year of COVID, I guess, is where we are, because it was just this time last year where we were starting to hear the rumbles about that. We are excited about some spring conferences that we're bringing to you that are new or different. One is our brand new Accounting and Auditing Conference that will be on May 12th and 13th. This is 2 full days with 3 concurrent tracks of A&A topics, and you'll be able to get 16 hours of governmental or nonprofit yellow book A&A courses at this, or there's some other general interest A&A topics. We have over 20 speakers, including some of our popular ones such as Melissa Galasso and David Cotton. We'll offer ethics during that program. So it's got a lot for anyone that works in anything related to accounting or auditing. We also, at our nonprofit conference, which is on April 22nd, we have a new option this year where you can register for just the morning, just the afternoon, or for the full day. The morning is really focused on those financial professionals who work in nonprofits. The afternoon, they are welcome to attend, and we hope that they will, but it's focused a little bit more on the technical aspects, so that we'll have accounting and auditing and tax in the afternoon of the nonprofit conference. So I hope to see everyone there. We also have a new event in June on the 10th, and this is our half-day real estate workshop. And this program will address financial professionals in real estate, construction, and in public accounting serving those communities. We've got 8 speakers and multiple sessions. There's a little bit of something for everyone that works in the real estate or possibly the construction industries.
You can find this information on our website at kycpa.org under the CPE section, and the catalog has a particular tab for conferences, or you can use the search tab. And you can also find all of our conferences for 2021 listed. Can you tell us a little bit of the feedback we received from our virtual conferences last year?
Sure. We've now been doing virtual conferences. We were doing hybrid conferences before, but our first one was in April of 2020. And many of our members were new to virtual learning events, or they had only participated in them from other vendors. So they were pleasantly surprised, I would say. Some of the positive comments we heard were things like, I thought it would be really hard to sit at my computer for an 8-hour conference, but the pacing was great and the speakers really kept my attention. A lot of people enjoy using the chat feature to ask questions and also to communicate with the other attendees. There's a lot of chat that goes on in the conferences, and we have such smart members that they can answer each other's questions frequently or direct them to resources. People put links in there, they give each other a lot of information. So I think a lot of people have been pleasantly surprised at what a good experience it is. We've also, for some of the conferences, we're breaking them up. We're allowing you to only register for a single day or for a half a day, or trying to give people as many options as we can. So those have been some of the positive aspects of virtual conferences.
What other options are available for CPE this year?
Right now, we have an extensive list of online courses, including webcasts, webinars, and on-demand programs. One of the things that I'm most excited about is the CFO series that we're now offering. We have one that's for March. There's another one in April, May, and June. It's 4 Fridays a month for 2 hours each Friday. There's everything from ethics to best business books to federal interest rates to managing an accounting department. There's a wide variety of topics that are covered. You can sign up for a bundle of courses for a month, or you can just sign up for an individual 2-hour course. So I think it gives a lot of opportunity, particularly for our members in industry who are CFOs or who have that on their horizon. And I encourage people to check that out. The other things that are somewhat new are a lot of our unlimited packages. We have had unlimited packages from AICPA and Surgent for on-demand courses, but we now also offer a Surgent unlimited webinar package and Surgent's Premier package program, which has unlimited webinars and unlimited on-demand courses. These are the most cost-effective ways to get your CPE. They're from quality providers, and you can find all of those on our website under the CPE tab. And there is, once you go to the catalog, there is a tab that is for on-demand and packages. So those will show up first thing when you click on that tab. The other thing that we have is certificate programs, and these are brought to you through our sponsorship with the AICPA. There's 20 or more certificate programs that are available, and some of the most popular ones are nonprofit certificates, certificates in benefit plans audits, data analytics, and cybersecurity. There are plenty more on the website, again, under CPE, than in the catalog. Then there's a tab for the certificate programs, and you can just take individual courses out of those programs. They're available that way, or they're discounted as a package. And then once you have taken the package, you can, if you pass the test, then you are eligible for a digital badge, and that's something that can be part of your signature, signifying your expertise in that certificate area. So that's a way to make yourself stand out, to make your firm stand out. It's a great marketing tool.
We've heard some questions regarding when we're going to go back to in-person CPE. Can you tell us a little bit about what our plans are?
Well, the first thing I'll say is, wow, we really miss our members. We know that you're out there. We see you online, but we definitely miss seeing you and talking to you in person. And we are very much looking forward to when that will be possible again. For the time being, KyCPA programs will be all virtual through September of 2021. After that, the last quarter of this year, we're hoping that there will be some opportunities for at least some in-person courses, and then some hybrid events, so that we might have some people in a classroom or a hotel room, etc., and then some people online. Because now that people know that that's an option, we want to continue to make that available as frequently as possible. So stay tuned for updates on what our plans are for returning to in-person learning. And we are anxious for that to happen, I'm sure, the same way that most of you are too.
Thank you, Lisa. And if anyone has any questions, who would they need to contact?
You can always reach out to me. Again, my name's Lisa Kemper, and my email address is lkemper, Kemper, at kycpa.org, or you can call the office of KyCPA at 502-266-5272.
Right. Thank you for joining us today, Lisa.
Thank you, Kimberly.